If you're looking for chainsaws, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Black+decker chainsaws. Number 1, most popular, by Black+decker. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Black+decker. Number 3. For more details about these chainsaws, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Black+decker. Find these chainsaws at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.